Hi, it's Erdal here, and in this presentation we are going to talk about how you can create a server using the thief virus. Yes, as you can understand from the demonstration name, this lab is all about how you can use your virus to control your victim's computer. Let's log into our computers. Enter in. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm just getting my computer infected with a virus. Yes, I know nobody is going to do what I'm doing, just going and clicking in a virus and get themselves infected. But please keep in mind, this is just for demonstration purposes. If you watch one of my previous demos, you will see that usually viruses comes with wrapped up versions what victims, us, like free stuff. So let's demonstrate the remote access Trojan. And funny enough, I'm getting right now myself infected with the thief virus. Here's the virus. It's called 210.exe. Just run the virus. Of course, I don't have any antivirus installed on the computer. And bada bing bada bong, I'm right now infected. So this was the server version. Now I'm navigating to my Windows 8 PC. We just log into the PC, and this is my Windows 8 PC. As you remember, I installed the server into I installed the remote Trojan server into my Windows 2008. Now I'm going to install my remote access Trojan, the client, into my victim. So just to correct myself, this is the victim, and if we see at the moment, here is exactly where we're going to control our virus. So what I'm going to do is, I know the IP address, but just to demonstrate it to you so you can do it right, I'm switching to my Windows 2008 PC. I'm getting the IP address out of it, basically by running command prompt or cmd ipconfig. It's important to spell it right. And the IP address is 10.10.10.8. Switching back to my Windows 8. The IP that we are going to browse is 10. Let's open my numblock. 10.10. It's really important to spell it right, to add it right. .8. From here, you can select any port that you would like to connect. This will be your FTP to connect to your server or to your victim. From here you have the server options. You got many different options where you can browse, you can get PC details. But first, let's connect to our victim. It's like a remote access client, and as soon as the end user, the victim, is infected, they launch their program. This is gonna launch at the background. I just made it visible to you so you can see what's happening actually at the background in computers. I don't know if you noticed, we have the connected to the transfer port. So there is already a communication established. If you don't believe me, let's run a net stat command. You will see that there is already some communication on the port that we have defined. 6703. 6703, as you saw here. Beautiful. Now, if you remember, I had to switch back to my server 2008 to get the IP address, but what was the computer name of my server 2008? To be honest, I don't know. All what I have to do is click here, get PC details. Look at this. username administrator, computer name, registered organization, registered owner, workgroup, available memory, processor, everything is to see. Hard drive space, operating system information. You can go back, get some networking information. You can start to spy. You can get screen captures. It's loading at the moment, the screen capture. It's gonna save the screen capture shortly. And the screen capture has been downloaded. Hopefully it's gonna open shortly. This is exactly what it says. As you can see, it is an image. So what I'm gonna do is now, just to prove this is the case, I'm quickly gonna switch to 2008. Now you will see that I'm in Windows Server 2008, and this is exactly the screen. Let's get some message. CMD, not CMD, sorry. Notepad. Is anybody hacking me? We can just change the format, font to huge one. Alright, let's move back to my server. Close the screenshot. Here we go. Close the screenshot. Let's get another screenshot. Let's capture one more screenshot. To do so, we click Inspire again. Let's get the screen capture. It's connected into it. As you can see, it's downloading. And is anybody hacking me? As you can see, we're gaining access to the PC via this little connection, via this little Trojan or virus. I can just go to the registry of the remote computer. I can just go change anything what I like. I can just go browse the computer. And the sad thing is, this is all happening while you're watching your free movie, while you're watching your games, while you're playing your games actually. I can browse the computer. I can do whatever I like straight from this little connection panel, which is called TIFF version 2.1. But there is one thing to keep in mind. If you are not the master, probably you are managed the master. So do not rely on someone else's hacking tools and call yourself hacker. This is my only recommendation to you. So all what I can recommend is basically this. If you want more information about viruses, please go to my blog erdal.com, and you will get many information about viruses as well. Thank you very much for watching this presentation.